Hello, my name is Mark Bossart, and today I will be doing listing 5.3, which is returning grades using functions. I will cover using if-else statements and pass information in and out of functions. I started with a blank program just to save some time. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing a cout statement telling the user that they need to enter a score. Now we will create a double variable that will hold the score number and ask the user to input a number into the variable score. Now we need to start the display. So I type a cout saying the grade is blank. Now what's left is for it to display the grade. So we can't do that yet because we don't know what score equals what grade. So I'm going to go to the top and create a function prototype, and it's going to need to return a character, A, B, C, D, or F. So I'm going to name it character getGrade. I'm going to write double in here because I will be sending the score that the user enters into the function where it will be checked. Let's start on the function. So it's going to be character getGrade, and we're passing in double score. So inside this function, we're going to need it to receive the score that the user entered and then check it amongst a list of numbers and see which character it should match it up with. So for the first one, we're going to say if the score is greater than or equal to 90, then it's going to return an A back to the main function. Then, if that's not true, it'll move on to the next one, the else, which will say if the score is greater than or equal to 80, it should return a B back to the main function, and so on. There's the problem. I forgot semicolon, which will completely mess everything up if not included. Then we do a final else to catch everything else, which will just be to return an F. So that'll just be anything lower than 60. Now we can go back up and call our function. So I will type in getGrade, and then let it know that I am passing in the score variable. What should happen there is that I put the cout statement, so it's going to display whichever character it returns. And I end the line. Okay, so let's do a little review here. It's going to cout, ask the user to enter a score. It's going to create the variable called score and have the user enter a number and assign that to the variable score. Then we go to the cout statement. The grade is blank. So we want to fill in that blank. So we go to the function getGrade, which transfers the variable that the user entered into the new function. From there, it runs through the if-else statement. So say we entered 95. It would go if score is greater than 90, then return A. 95 is greater than 90, so it will return A back to the main function and print that out to the screen. So let's try it. I'll enter 100. The grade is A. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to enter 95.4, and the grade is A. 75.9, the grade is C. 88.3, and the grade is B. And we'll do 55.3. The grade is F. So everything runs pretty smoothly. We've passed information in and out of functions, and we've checked